My name's Steve Rotheram. I'm the Metro Mayor of the Liverpool City region, and I'm delighted to be at BioGrad today. And BioGrad have been one of the best deliverers of Skills Bootcamps on behalf of the Liverpool City region, where they are training and upskilling scientists. BioGrad are already forging ahead in the race to be a leader in life sciences. The Liverpool City region is already a leader in things like vaccine manufacture, in infectious disease control, and of course here at BioGrad where they're doing stem cell research. LCR funding is helping BioGrad and the life sciences sector to ensure that we get the right people with the right qualifications, so the Skills Bootcamps are upskilling already well qualified scientists for the jobs of the future, so that we can get really good employment, we can get a highly skilled workforce, and of course we can become the innovation centre for life sciences.